Assalamualaikum and good morning. So for today, I'm going to show you how to integrate card into mobile web application with material design Lite. So card is a design element created by Google to be integrated inside Android mobile web application or mobile application. So here is the card in action. So we have a scrollable list, a with card. So the main component of card is the background. So background photo, you have a title, and then a subtitle, and then an action button. So what can you do with the button? Okay, we will try to recreate this to your material design like sample website that we have created on the previous video. So to start that, just go to get material design like website. So getmdl.io. So you will be presented with this welcome page. So you need to go straight to components and then select card. So choose the first card right here. Choose the first card. There are many other card design like this one and other one, but we are interested only in this card. Okay, because we want to replicate the look and feel of the sample application, and then start out your Notepad++. So you can start the Notepad++ application, and then navigate and open the index file inside your htdocs folder. Right, next you can try and create a menu. So you can point the menu so that the menu could point to valid pages. So for me, I try to put these pages on my menu. So try to create a book.html. So for view ticket, index.html, because we want view ticket to be the default page when you open up your mobile web application. Then of course you will have a profile and about. Next, just copy the list, so only the A list, and then paste it over to the navigation drawer. Right, and then to see the effect, and you only have to refresh, and then you just have to click over here. So when this happens, you know that you have successfully updated the link. Okay, next. You go back to the material design Lite and then copy the template here, okay, for cards, and then paste it in the page content div, okay, div block. So under your content goes here, so and then you can paste it. Alright, so what left here is to modify the title. So because the first location would be Shah Alam, okay, just type here Shah Alam, and then here near the title tag, MDL title tag, you put here Shah Alam. Okay, you can put here Shah Alam, and then also here MDL card title, right? You can adjust this and put here Shah Alam. Okay, very simple. And then assuming that you have already downloaded the background URL, okay, you put here Shah Alam. Okay, shahalam.jpg. So for the subtitle, just put here the date or the location. So because you already have the location, You can put here the date or at least the name of the carrier or the name of the bus operators. So you can put here any type of name of bus operator that you know. Okay, just for an example. And then you can put here for the link, view tickets. Okay. Next, we try to refresh. Okay. So you can get the title. Okay, title over here. So Shah Alam, super nice, view tickets. So why the background does not appear? It means that there is something wrong with our code, or it cannot find the file. So to ensure that there is a file uh, inside the folder, you can go to the htdoc folder and then verify it. So our folder is htdocs mdl. To verify that you have the file shah.-alam. Okay, verify the name of the uh, file. Okay, when you verify the name of the file is alright and okay, to ensure also you have written the title code and card precisely as it is required, and then also ensure that you've written the class name correctly. So this means that something is amiss over here. So look, okay. So this means that this is under demo card white. So this one is not under demo card white, but rather under MDL card title. So seems that I've misplaced the class name over here, and the class name should be put at the top. Okay, like this. So try and save, and then refresh back. So then you will get back your photo. Okay, background photo for Shah Alam. Okay, next, we try to add for more location. So more location means more places. So you can copy paste here. So it's a good practice to denote the border. So we put here next card as a comment and as a divider. We paste here. So next, you may have Kuantan as the destination. And then we put Cepat Express as its bus operator. And change here Shah Alam into Kuantan. Okay, for this one, you can copy and paste the style. Okay, this is CSS, which you've already learned during the web technology class. CSS or cascading style sheet. Okay, you can write here .kuantan. Right, and then also rename the JPEG file as Kuantan. Okay, then you can refresh, and then you can look, okay, at the result. Okay, finally try to create another card for Johor Bahru. So if you are doing server-side programming like PHP, this can be done automatically in the loop. So you pull this all of this information using database, and then you fill all the uh, name, variable name, all of this using a loop and a variable that you pull out from a database. So I'm showing this how to do it manually because you are learning how to create a good or a usable mobile application. Don't forget to label the container. You can put here Johor Bahru. Okay, the divider. Okay, it's also Cepat Express. Okay, don't forget the label here GB. So double check .jb, jb.jpg, and then try and refresh. So you get the card, right? Okay, this is usually how you create a compliant mobile web application with material design like design specification as published by Google. So material design guideline is a guideline produced by Google to ensure that everybody has the best experience and the best user expectation on a mobile native application on Android and also on mobile web application when they are using Android operating system. So if you notice that if you use most of the Android application, you will see that almost all Android application would follow material design like specification, especially on cards. There are also other material design like guidelines such as floating action button. So there are button over here which you can click here to add new and so on. So we will look into floating action button on the next videos or module. So till then, we'll be seeing you back on the next video.